A beautiful trade. What a beautiful trade. It's a ES. It's a ES. Micro ES. S&P 500. So out of everything when me show, ES produced the best setup. The zone them look the best as compared to US 30 gold and Nasdaq. So basically what happened as we illustrate before, we did have a demand down here, so which we never did want the price coming here, so to be honest. Because without the under the MA them, you understand, I'm going to feel comfortable to take a buy the low, the MA, especially the 13. So then news push up, right? News push up. We never get a top of the zone first. And then once news push up now, we identify the demand here. The last bear candle before the momentum move, right? None of them smaller candle here wasn't momentum. So it's how we identify we demand, right? We know my first illustration was on Ninja Trader. Now, I try to use TradingView to do most of my illustration because I like how it look. It's cleaner and easier to use. So, that's why I already know. We have a breaker structure. The break of the eyes here give you a breaker structure. So, wait. Price trickle down back to my zone, right? Back to my zone. Then 9:30 open come. New York Stock Exchange open. And look what we do. We go in the zone, we tap the zone. Let me move this little, so you can see. We tap the zone and we reject sharply out of the zone, right? Sharply out of the zone. And as me see price break the candle here, we decide, all right, then we get into a buy. It's now or never. So my entry was about right here, right? My stop loss, with a EM right below the candle. My TP, to be honest, a little over 1 to 1 was this highs. We have liquidity asset right here. And the rest was history. Look what happened. Once the price push up, I will start break highs right here, so. And all of them highs here start get broken. Me have a small account, and me I try grow the account. Me couldn't manage. I mean, me not over leverage or nothing like that. But, me definitely could have managed a loss if it did decide to go against me. But a Friday, and me I try grow my account. So as soon as me go up in some profit, me break even, and then me take time move up my stop. Not too close on the price because the market moving on waves, up and down, up and down, and we never want to get stop out. So basically, me told her, I'm gonna use this. So basically, once price push up to like right here, so me take time inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, inch up, right on the price, and I think me get stop out somewhere around here, and look what happened. TP smash, the rest history. So I'm comfortable with my profit. It's not life changing money or not like that, but I'm optimistic. I'm always add zeros to my profit. You understand? So if you make a $50, I add a zero in my mind. In the future, it's gonna be a 500, then it's gonna be a 5,000. You understand? Until eventually it's gonna be six figures. Once we keep at it. So that's that. Me not feel greedy. Me not feel like more go back in no more trade for the rest of the day. Me comfortable with my profit, and that was one of the challenges where we need have to overcome, to just be satisfied. You understand? So great trade, great trade. We not classify this as an A grade banger trade.